Hello everybody, I'm meteorologist Cassie Knoll, and for your Thursday forecast, big changes are on the way in the next 24 to 48 hours across the Sun Coast, starting today with the clouds that we have in our skies. We're going to maintain those mostly cloudy conditions, but rain chances overall very low through at least the daylight hours of your Thursday. It won't be until very late in the afternoon or into the evening that we'll start to see maybe a few isolated showers popping up, and then the real rain chances increase as we go through the late evening, overnight, and especially into your Friday. We're expecting an area of low pressure to develop in the western Gulf of Mexico today, and as that moves across the northern Gulf, it eventually will bring us the potential for some heavy rain and maybe some thunderstorms tomorrow morning. We'll talk more about that in just a minute. But for our day today, our northeasterly winds are going to eventually become easterly and then southeasterly. That's going to bring up the dew point, bring up the moisture content in the atmosphere a little bit, and the temperatures too. Highs today are forecast to reach the upper 60s to around that 70-degree mark. A couple of degrees below average for this time of year, but still warmer than we have been so far this week. Now that area of low pressure, again, it's going to move very quickly along the northern Gulf tonight, pushing a frontal boundary through our area sometime between about sunrise and noon tomorrow. That's when we'll see the best rain chances. Now there are a lot of factors to work with here, and they have to come together just right for us to see strong to severe storms. But we're letting you know about it because the potential is there to see maybe some strong to damaging winds, maybe an isolated tornado tomorrow. Now these chances are not very widespread at this point. The better chance is just for some heavy rain and some gusty winds as well. The reason I'm telling you this, though, is because you need to know so that you're aware and paying attention of what the weather is doing tomorrow morning. Of course, you can always stay tuned to SNN. We will definitely be covering that for you tomorrow morning. We'll start to clear out as we go into our Saturday, the back half of Friday and into Saturday, before the next storm system develops to come through on Sunday. So very active pattern looking at your 7-day forecast. High temperatures tomorrow back into the mid-70s and staying a little bit on the mild side for Saturday too. Next system rolls through early on Sunday, ushering in some much colder air for the early parts of next week.